Namaste and welcome, future Java champions. I am your guide today, and we are about to unlock two of Java's most powerful and sometimes confusing keywords, this and super. These keywords are absolutely essential for writing clean, robust, and truly object-oriented code, especially when you are dealing with inheritance. Understanding them deeply will elevate your Java programming skills significantly. In this 5-minute tutorial, we will break down what this and super mean, how to use them effectively, and we will even look at some common pitfalls. By the end, you will have a crystal clear understanding. So, grab your virtual pen and paper, and let us dive in. Alright, let us start with the this keyword. Imagine you are in a crowded room and someone calls your name. You know they are referring to you, right? In Java, this acts similarly. It is a reference variable that refers to the current object. That is, the object whose method or constructor is being invoked. Its primary use is to disambiguate between instance variables and local variables, especially parameters with the same name. For example, in a constructor, if you have a parameter named name and an instance variable also named name, this .name clearly indicates the instance variable. This helps in avoiding confusion and ensures you are assigning values to the correct class members. It is a fundamental concept for maintaining clarity in your class definitions. Now, let us explore another powerful use of this, the this keyword. Yes, with parentheses. When used as this, it is a special form that allows you to call another constructor within the same class. This is incredibly useful for constructor chaining. Think of it like this: if you have multiple constructors, some with fewer parameters, you can avoid code duplication by having one constructor call a more comprehensive one using this. For example, a default constructor might call a parameterized constructor with some default values. Remember, this must always be the first statement in a constructor. This rule is crucial to ensure proper object initialization and prevent unexpected behavior. It is a neat trick for keeping your constructor logic organized and efficient. Moving on to the super keyword. Just as this refers to the current object, super refers to the immediate parent class object. This keyword becomes vital when you are working with inheritance, which is a cornerstone of object-oriented programming. If a child class has a method or an instance variable with the same name as one in its parent class, and you want to explicitly access the parent's version, you use super. For example, super.methodName will call the parent's method even if the child has overridden it. Similarly, super.variableName will access the parent's instance variable. This ensures you can leverage and extend parent class functionalities while still having the flexibility to specialize in the child class. And just like this, we also have super. This is used to invoke the constructor of the immediate parent class. When a child class object is created, the parent class's constructor must also be called to properly initialize the inherited parts of the object. If you do not explicitly call super, Java automatically inserts a default no-argument super call as the first statement in your child class constructor. However, if your parent class only has parameterized constructors, you must explicitly call the appropriate super constructor with the necessary arguments. Just like this, super must be the very first statement within the child class constructor. This order is critical for ensuring the parent component of the object is fully set up before the child object's own initialization begins. This is a common point of confusion, so pay close attention to this rule. Excellent work, everyone. We have covered a lot today. To quickly recap, this refers to the current object, helping us distinguish between instance and local variables, and this is used for constructor chaining within the same class. On the other hand, super refers to the immediate parent class, allowing us to access its members, and super is used to invoke the parent's constructor. Remember these golden rules: this and super must always be the first statement in a constructor. Avoiding these common mistakes will save you a lot of debugging time. Keep practicing these concepts by writing small programs. The more you code, the clearer they will become. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting Java tutorials. Keep coding, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. Jai Hind.